Welcome back, guys, CryPTO channel. Today I would like to rank another 10 tokens from top 50. Let's dive in. Guys, on this playlist, I rank the tokens by 10 tokens each video, just ranking from market capitalization. So it's not like some token is the best one, some is worst one. No, it's just list by market capitalization, 10 tokens each video. And today we'll talk about the potential realistic gains by end of this cycle for VeChain, Say, Render, Pengu, Trump, JT token, Gate.io token, Fast token. First time ever we'll analyze this token, Atom, World token, and Fetch.AI. So this is a list. I already posted the top 40 tokens. I exclude the stable coins, so it's not make sense to analyze it. That's why it's a little bit more than top 50. I will move on to the, I hope, to the top 200, even maybe more. So let's start with the JT token. Guys, I highly recommend you go and check first videos to understand the realistic potential gains from present moment, from present prices, because people count, I already explained it to you, people count the gains, what they wish to see from now. So if somebody buying the BTC now at 110K, approximately, he want to see the 10x or 5x, but it's literally impossible. In the future, on this, it's possible, but we have to work with realistic data, because someone invests in Ethereum and waits like 20K or 50K because he want to see the 3x, 5x on Ethereum. But the time to buy BTC was in 2022, in Ethereum at 1K, for example, and we can't build the crazy expectation for the tokens if we see the chart like this one. This is example of JT token. And imagine here, time to buy been here in December 2020, at least on correction in January 2023 or December 2022, here at the buy line on the weekly time frame. Highly recommend you guys use the indicator set, what I always share in my videos. And by my personal experience, I use the take profit indicator on the weekly time frame to determine the zones for investments. So I work in a complex analysis, the macro, the seasonality, the charts, the FIB, and the weekly buy line. If the token get a long history, we can track even the monthly time frame, for example. Unfortunately, there is no data. Check the buy line and fundamental value. It's more than okay time to buy for the spot position for a long run, for this cycle. For example, this token already performed like 800%. What are people waiting for from this token now? I have no idea. So it's already like almost 80x. So if we check by capitalization, it's 3.2 billion market cap, all-time high. Now it's 2 billion market capitalization. So 119 million. So let's say 4 billion market cap basically is possible. 4 billion, it's double X from this current prices. And guys, it's just double X. So it's 200%. So if we count like this one, so 52, not a 52. No, it's 100x. Sorry, guys. 100% up. So this one, it will be the 4 billion market capitalization. 4 billion market cap, it will be the all-time high by market capitalization. So $35, it's more than real to see, basically. Like a last leg up to the top. 1, 2, 3 rise pattern on the weekly will be the top. So just to be honest, I don't think so. We go into the $50 or so. So I will put the JT token in the first line. Next one, guys, Cosmos. Also, to not make a video like 1 hour, if you need to detailed analysis for each token, you can go to Telegram channel, type the ticker name in a search tool, and find the main bull plan, because for many tokens, just exclude the Fast token and the JT, I post the main bull plans in some 23, some 24, some 25. for someone. And all zones, guys, still relevant. The invalidation of idea if the token delisted from the exchanges, because no liquidity, no possibilities to upside move. That's why the Atom, one token, totally frustrated the people this cycle, because everybody's screaming about the Atom like crazy technology, crazy tech token, the solution, and all of this fancy fundamental stuff. The same story like a Polkadot. But take a look. This token not perform at all since October 24. It's made like 150, for example, percent, and after that, still slowly dying. I don't think so that Atom will hit the new all-time high. Yes, it sounds weird, but I don't think so. It's just my personal opinion. This fib is still relevant. It was a top of the top in May. Supports bounce almost 1.61 low fib, double top, collapse it down. Inside 27 block. So 27 block, usually, guys, it's okay zone for accumulation. The zone's absolutely relevant, so you can go and find the first video what I posted. I don't remember exactly where. Zone 23, zone 24. And we landed back here. What is good for Atom now? Any single token, for me personally, guys, it's just a pure speculation. So it's not about like Atom is bad or Pengu is good. No. If at the end, the main goal is to make money, and every single token is a high risk, absolutely high risk. We need just some marketing for the Atom, some hype, some to push a little bit so the retails to start spending money into this another useless token. So now we hold the line at minus 0.18 level fee for 22. The lowest point where we can expect the Atom, I don't think so. Listen please carefully. I don't think so will drop to that targets, but it's possible. It's $2.08. I don't think so. Of course, we're gonna drop like Algorand under the March 20 cover dump low. No, I think like speculation, we consolidate here and start climbing up to the top. So the next step is bullish one. It's 878. Exit take profit line. Exit line 997. Maybe the top of the top for the Atom will be here, like $20.41, 23, 22. If we check this one, this is a monthly gap. Guys, highly recommend you go and check the main video about Atom if you need it. Cosmos, honestly, it's a total delusion for this cycle. And let's count by gains from this moment. Let's go to the monthly time frame and check this realistic gains, guys, because of course it's so cool to share all the time like this one. Atom will go to the $100 for sure, guys. It's just a clickbait. Let's be real. So even if we move to 61 level fee or even 70, if it's a 27, 22, 78 level fee, it's 523. If it's let me check. So where is that now? 435. Yes, this one. So if it's 0.68, 61 level by fee, a little bit over to fulfill of monthly gap, it's 495. Let's check the capitalization. 2 billion capitalization now. Highest point was 12 billion, almost 13. So let's count like 464 million tokens. 464 million tokens in circulation supply, so $27, 12.5 billion. So it will be the actual market capitalization, a little bit higher even. So 27.22 is 523%. Basically possible if only we will see some crazy gains. 22, so 12.63. So like this will be the actual market capitalization, even the all-time high. Anyway, it's not an all-time high by price. Now, guys, imagine at $27, the Atom will reach the same all-time high by market capitalization like it was here at 44, or in 2021 at 45, around 44 and 8. That's why let's add it. Let's hope that Atom will hit the little bit over than 5x. If they will bring us some hype about this token in a marketing campaign, because nothing, just little nothing. No news about Atom. Nobody talk about Atom, of course. Now, for now, of course, when the Atom will be around, for example, $20, everybody will start screaming, we're going to the moon because of. So just in case, if you believe, guys, in the new all-time high, it's the next step. It's a sweep of that actual highs. It's like 47. It's potential like almost 10x. Just in case. VeChain. VeChain, I always surprised, like VeChain is a good tech, but good solution for real world, right? But too much tokens in secure supply, so probably with VeChain will never hit the $1 because of without a mass adoption, without real use case in the world, right? It's almost impossible to reach the 85 billion market capitalization. Let's be real. Let's be honest, guys. So almost 2 billion market capitalization. Now, what is good with the VeChain? It's almost 100% tokens in circular supply. So my conservative price target for the VeChain, we still also underrated. Conservative price, it's 16.61 and 20 cents. So it's more than real to reach the 20 cents. And here, what is bad? In the next bear market, I guess we will drop to inside a 27 block, this one. And now we can test locally. A buy line, it's 2 cents at 10. For my wallet, for the VeChain, it's 1 cent 57. After that, I'm more than sure in October, November, we'll bounce to take profit 419, 471, 0 level, sweep liquidity pool where we'll leave it in December 24. And the roll will be open to 1661, 1930. So with a weak candle can be like 20 cents. Yes, it's more than real to see. And let's check by gains. I guess the VeChain still got a potential for the upside. And yes, it's more than 5x for the VeChain. But it's not like $1 or so, guys. No, it's still realistic. Gains. If we check, guys, the gains from previous cycle, from the COVID dump low, it was a really madness. It was some fresh, and it was like 17,000 or around 18,000% gains. So I don't think so, guys. We're gonna hit the 42 cents or 50 cents. So I don't think so. The VeChain will reach the like 40 billion or 45 billion market capitalization, for example. This run. Maybe in the future, maybe if this technology, if some marketing, some market makers start work with the VeChain, some mass adoption, some countries start using the VeChain like a tech, maybe they will burn some tokens. I don't know what should happen, right? But now even the 50% of total supply by market cap, it sounds unrealistic, like 40 billion market capitalization. Based on what? The VeChain should reach, and anyways, it will be just a 2,000% gains, not even close to 17,000. That's why, guys, everything should be in time. We can't, think about it like, oh, I want to see the same way like a previous cycle because it's happened before. I want to see the same way this run. We can't think this way by this type of logic because somebody buying the Ethereum at $1 or it's $100. And we can't say, oh, I want to do the same gains. But now Ethereum is 4K. So everything should be in time, guys, unfortunately. Or fortunately. So this one, it's, anyway, I believe in around like 19 cents. So it's 739% gains potential from this run. Take a look. Fast token. Guys, never analyzed this token. And it's weird. So this token almost in the top 50. It traded on some max gate BitGet Binks. Some I can't say it's some bad exchanges, but guys, never heard about this token. And the charts, so weird. I just open it, check it, and it's so weird chart. Less than 50% tokens in circular supply. Hard to say, guys, about this token, what we can expect from this one. So even the chart even looks better than a BTC, right? So this is what what are people looking for from the alts? Just unstoppable move to 2 years up. Sometimes maybe we just choose the wrong tokens, guys. So here from the Jeweled Zone where it's 3, this token already made like 355% gains. And now we trade it over like exit line. But based on capitalization, 431 million. Guys, it's hard to say. I never analyzed this token before, and I don't know who even traded. So let's check the volume. 32 million on the Fastex, 2 million, 2 million volume. So not a big deal. On the DAX, is this tradable? Not on the Hyperliquid, nothing. No Binance, no Coinbase. 679K. Oh, dollars, not a K. Wow. Wow. And almost 1%, minus 0.5% spread. It's kind of weird. Wow, on the BitGet is 11K, guys. 11K, the volume trade in 24 hours. Come on. Come on, let's be real. How the people can expect the crazy pumps from this one. And that's why we get this huge weak candle. Because low liquidity. For example, someone buying, I'm more than sure, someone buying here on low liquid like Binks, and some orders to sell being added here. You press buy, pump, crazy weak, sell off. That's why, guys, hard to say about gains for this one. Absolutely, I guess, useless. No, guys. Maybe it's a good token, I don't know, but absolutely low liquid. Not a low cap, but a low liquid. Anyway, it's going to be in the first rank. Next one, guys, is the Pengu. Pengu already performed like 1000% from the good entry. So you remember the initiation accumulation pump model. So highly recommend you go and check the first videos about Pengu here. I shared with you the zones where more than okay accumulated Pengu. On a BitGet, I use this chart because it's the lowest listing price all the time. We tested till penny, the best zone to buy, retested till penny 0.5, reject till penny at 61. Here the people laughing, so ha, why are you so bearish on the Pengu? We never drop it back. We drop it back for 37%. Does it mean that Pengu is going down? I don't think so. This is the end of cycle. The worst case scenario, guys, of course, if we dump like this one to the 1 cent, I don't know what should happen with the Pengu. So we dump that low. Technically, we start forming something like, cup and handle. The size of that cup and handle will be around like, I don't know, 10 cents. 10 cents. But this token already performed like over the 1000%, one take. And 10 cents, it's more than real to see. 62 billion supply. Now the market capitalization, it's 2 billion, around 2 billion. So 62 billion, 62 billion, 860, 62 billion, 860 millions. All right, so the 10 cents, it will be the, so yes, here is the 62 billion, 860 millions, right? 10 cents, guys, it will be the 6.2 billion market capitalization, right? Yes, correct. Possible. So for the Pengu, I guess it's more than real to see. So it's not some craziness. And if we count from what a fast token, so it will be around like 2000, I guess, 2500 from the bottom. In that correction here, 2700. But if you want to invest now, 30, it will be approximately only 245. Let's imagine, so we're gonna hit the, I don't know, 15 cents. It will be the still less than 5x. And for that, guys, it will be like the almost 4,000% gains. So that's the difference when you enter in the market. Everything should be in time. I'm not sure about the, let's check 15. Around 10 billion sounds realistic for the Pengu with the hype now, but still less than 5x. Right. Yes, you can write the hate comments now if you're the fan of the Pengu. It's okay. Next one, guys, it's Render. Render upgraded. By the way, it was like news about the Coinbase deletes the Render. They just deleted the old ticker. Yes, it's good. So the Render AI hype was so amazing. 27 block, all zones, guys, still relevant. This was an amazing time to buy in Zone 22, Zone 23, when just everybody started talking about AI, and the same chart on the Fetch.AI, we reached it, 1.61 level FEEP, already performed like amazing gains this cycle, around 4,895% from the, let's check where that COVID dump. All right, anyway, June 2020, this token performed that previous cycle. No, let's count like this one. Previous cycle, the Render performed like 17,000. Now we already performed like almost 5,000. So it's almost 5x, 50x. So time to buy the Render was here. And at that time, it was realistic to talk about the next 50x tokens. Now it's unrealistic to talk about, oh, from present prices, we should wait like 50x. Guys, I hope you understand, right? The highest point for the Render, if we'll see another hype around the EI, I guess it's $20. $20 is more than real to see, and it will be the 2.61 level FEEP, $20.14. Yes, possible. 518 million tokens, 518 million tokens in circulation supply, $20, 12, 10.4 billion market capitalization, 10.4. So it will be the twice bigger market cap than it was at the all-time high. Even still under the 5x. Yes, guys, so sad, but it's fact. It's fact, guys. Of course, if you maxi, if you do a crypto maxi, and you wait all the time, just up only to the moon targets, guys, zoom out and just take a look at the next target, 27, 31. All targets relevant, but I'm more with realistic targets. It's not about the bearish targets. It's just a realistic one. Because I saw it in Zone 21, I saw it in previous cycle. So it's not like every single token should go to the moon from these present prices. No, for the people who invested in the right moment, that gains will be like here, 7,000, if they will still hold it. 7,000. For if you invest now, it will be less than 5x. Everything should be in time. I don't think so. The Render is hit at the all-time high in March 2024. No, I think we will hit the new all-time high again, or at least sweep this high and form the double top, like $14, $15. But still under 5x here. And Render. Next one, say, guys. 6 billion supply, 60% unlock it, 1.8 billion market capitalization, the charts. Also, guys, after listing, I shared with you the video. So same chart, same model, like with the say Sui World Token and many others. So that time, congrats if you not skipped the video. Say already performed like 10x, 11x. Now we landed back to 38 bounce it. Now we trade, and most likely we will retest the buy line. It's 28 cents. It can be the maybe okay zone for accumulation. If we will see the flash crash, next zones, guys, absolutely still in play. It's 12, 10, 8, 8. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low now. That's why I think we will see some consolidation. And after that, yes, probably can hit the new all-time high around like, I don't know, $1.50 maybe. Hard to say how high we can hit, but not that big expectation. So even $1.50, it will be like around 9 billion market capitalization. Still high market capitalization. So from this current prices, guys, take profit line 56, exit line 62, $1.50, like round number, it's still under 5x. Still under 5x. So the highest point of the market cap being like 3 billion. So here 6.1, 6.1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 billion. 3, 1, 2, 3, another one. So $1.50, 9 billion and 150 million market capitalization. 2 times bigger than it was the all-time high. Official Trump, guys. I hope you're not hopping into this token. I shared the video after listing. Mark the zones, guys. Imagine the all zones still relevant. That's why I highly recommend you go and check a free educational video how to work with the initiation accumulation pump model. One tick. This model is still relevant because after listing January 25, we landed to the best zone to buy, bounce it, rejected 0.5, and the road can be open again to test 727 on the daily time frame. The buy line is 654. Fundamental value it's 490. Imagine how many people stuck at $70 or $50. Time to sell. The Trump will be at 35, 33. This one fixation. And if you believe in $100, 200 million. So let's count 200. $100, let's say 99. Around 20 billion market capitalization. Guys, I'm not sure. Like speculation, everything can happen, I don't know, maybe they will find some use case for their Trump. I don't know why the token should pump that much to 20 billion market capitalization just because it's a coin of the president. I don't think so. Take a look at the crazy difference between the FDV and the market capitalization. It's like 6 times bigger. All-time high 15 billion was. Another all-time high, it will be 19 billion at $100. Maybe, but most conservative price targets, guys, from this moment is 33, 35. Here it's 305%. Next one is 45, 414. Guys, I'm not sure about all-time high. Let's imagine, just in theory, so if the Trump token is not a scam, it can be here, like $90 or so. I don't think so that Trump gonna scam the people, but also I think he doesn't care about the crypto now. So let's add the Trump to this list. Maybe, but risky. I think possible if the Trump starts shilling, and he can. Most conservative price, guys, is here 3x and the 4x. So just up to you. I skip the Trump. I don't like these stories. AI, Fetch.AI, guys, also targets I showed you before. So here, zones of accumulations. This token performed like a render. So AI hype, it was 6,500%. Amazing. Amazing gains, guys. Amazing. Take a look, December with that March 2020, this token performed 10,000 from the correction in November to 3,000. So this cycle is already performed like 6,500. We just, you and me maybe choose the wrong tokens. That's why a lot of tokens, guys, already perform it. But majority of the alts slowly dying, yes. And maybe we just made a mistake when we choose the token. So the consolidation now between the 0.538, we landed around here in March 2024. I share with you, so we will drop to the test of the buy line. We tested that at 73. Now we consolidate in the range between the fundamental value and the buy line. Next step, it's with the hype of AI, we will see if we will see the 160. It's a take profit exit line. It's 181. And if you believe in new all-time high, like sweep of that high 358, I don't think so. It's some crazy gains. No, it's still under the 50x, 5x. Sorry, what a 50x? 70. Yes, still on the 5x. $4 for 14. Guys, I'm not sure. I'm more conservative one will be like 358. Still under 5x. Still under the 5x, guys. Here, yes. If you hate it, you can also share the hate talking comments. Next one, guys, it's say. Forgot about a say. So say is, yes, still on the 5x. And the world talking, guys, also a million times share with you the world talking videos. 18 less than 20% tokens in circular supply. It's like 2 billion. So imagine the unlocks. One take. Second one, the highest point of the market cap being like 3. FDV in the market capitalization, the situation similar to the Trump token. I don't like the stories like this one. Honestly, this token already performed pretty good one. Like 1,000. If you believe in new all-time high, guys, it's a sweep of that high, like, I don't know, $14 or 15. I'm not sure. Let's be honest. I'm not sure about that gains. From these current prices, the first step of fixation will be 280. Next step is here. So at least world token, I guess, will sweep the high of May 2024. This is what's most realistic one from current prices. If we'll drop lower to the best zone again, yes, it will be around like 10x. From current prices, I'm not sure about all-time high, but I think, yes, like speculation, we can hit around $7 again. It's over than 600%. So this is the list. So guys, I hope you like this video. Share in the comment section your thoughts about these tokens. If you'd like to trade with my custom maker, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Go and check, by the way, in the description, find the links to previous videos. Will be interesting. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.